Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin.
From the moment I was crowned, I knew this was more than just a title. It was a responsibility, an opportunity to inspire, and a chance to grow. Throughout, I have had the privilege of meeting incredible people, of being given a platform to support meaningful causes, and to represent not just myself, but a community that I cherish deeply. Every experience, from the glamorous moment on stage to the heartfelt connection developed behind the scene, have been a stepping stone in my growth as a woman and as a leader. Though my reign is ending, my journey does not stop here. I will carry the lessons, memories, and friendship with me forever. Thank you for all making this unforgettable experience. With love and gratitude, Chelsea Manalo, Miss Universe Asia, Miss Universe Philippines 2024.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!